Hey guys, Rich Pacino, your YouTube vlogger and creator here. I just want to start by saying thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Hope you like the content. You come back for more. And if you like the content and you like me as a content creator, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. You know, being a YouTube creator, I've been on this platform now, it's going 11 years now? I can't believe it, 11 years. Well, I started back in 2013. And I have to honestly say, when it comes to making videos, I think I talked about this once before, the most stressful part for me is coming up with new content on a daily basis. But anyway, that's something I'm going to talk about. I love making videos, and I love to help people out. That's what my YouTube channel is all about, to help, inspire, and share. And I like to go that extra mile for my YouTube subscribers, or if somebody's watching one of my videos, I don't mind doing research and helping them out. So what I want to show you is just to sum it up really quick here. I don't want to keep this video too long. I'm going to minimize myself over here. And here is a video I did 6 years ago. This here is for the Sony Dream Machine AM FM, or I should say FM AM clock radio, the ICF C253. Now, I got some comments on here, you know, nothing bad. Like I said, some people ask over here, like this person. Now, let me explain something to you guys. For this is the first time on my YouTube channel. I am an eBay seller. I've been on eBay now for 25 years now. It was 25 years. And I'm still selling on eBay to the present day. And what this video is all about, in case you guys are wondering, back then, when I started my channel in 2013, I didn't know how to go about starting. I didn't know. I mean, it's not that it's rocket science, you know, in regards to starting a YouTube channel. I didn't know what it was going to be about, plain and simple. So when I found out that eBay was allowing sellers back then that you can embed videos in with your listings, I said, hey, this is great. This video here is only 7 minutes, so I'm not going to play it, mind you, but it was a demo video. It's to show people this item was up on eBay, and it was, you know, it was for sale. And it was just to show people that it works. I gave them a little brief intro on it, you know, did a little brief demo, just showing it powered on, powered off, whatever. And that's what this video was all about. And I got a message from a person today, and it says, please let me know, is the Dream Machine got earphones? Thank you so much. This person who messaged me this morning was asking, I guess they didn't realize, they thought it was still available, and it's not. Of course, it sold 6 years ago. But that's what they call evergreen videos, right? I mean, this video's been around for 6 years, right? I mean, you know, well, it's 6 years ago I made that video, so yeah, that's what they call evergreen. It just sits there, you know, it doesn't expire, I guess. But anyway, so I said, you know what? No, I messaged the person back. No, I don't. You know, it doesn't come with the earphones. But I always had to go out that little extra mile. And my YouTube subscribers, you guys mean the world to me. You guys are great, and I appreciate the ones that stuck with me through thick and thin. I mean, I can't express it enough how grateful I am that you guys, you know, stuck with me all the way, you know, for all these years. But anyway, so I want to show you two things. I'm going to go over here on the screen here, and I want to show you guys. I want to point this out to you. Now, I went to the Sony website, and you can get the, you know, the user guide here, which is really tiny. And the reason why I'm doing this video is I want to show you two things, two ways to go about looking at this. Now, I dropped the links below for this user manual, but I'm going to show you as another company I deal with called Manuals Lib, which makes it a little more simplified than this. All right, but what I want to show you is this here. I wear glasses for reading, and I want to show you how you could magnify to see it. Now, I'm using Microsoft Edge. It's the latest Microsoft Edge, okay? When you go over here, see these three little dots, folks? Okay? You click this on, and you're going to come over here. It's going to say zoom. Now, I know you're saying, oh, it's at 67%. I want it to be small like that because I want to show you something. If you want to make this bigger and you want to read about it, let's say you don't want to print out, because let me tell you something. I printed these things out, and when you print them out, it is super small. I mean, like I said, I wear reading glasses. I use a magnifying glass. Even when you print out, it comes out so small. But let's say you're a person, you picked up a used clock, I mean, a digital clock like this here, you know, clock radio, and you know, you want to know how to make the settings on it. You know, how to adjust the time and so on and so forth. You could go directly to Sony, okay, and this is online. This is how it is. If you come over here, click the plus sign, you can make this as big as you want. I find that for me, a comfortable reading is about 125. You can make it, make it really go big. I mean, you don't want to go too big because then it goes off the screen. I figure about 125, between 110 and 125. I can read this here. The print is a little small, so I would say for me, 125 is good, you know. And over here on a slide bar, you could always slide over because people might think, well, suppose it go. No, you could slide it over like this and you could read more into it, okay? And the thing is, you would just pick out the things that, you know, that are of interest to you or what you need help with. Like how to stop the alarm over here, my mouse cursor is moving. Or how to cancel the alarm. Or setting up the sleep timer, okay? So you could go directly to Sony and read it online like this here. But remember, the 3 little dots up here where my mouse cursor is moving, you click that on, just to recap, and, you know, you could zoom it as much as you want. It'll go off the page, of course. And then when you're finished, you could zoom it down back to 100%, because if not, when you go to your other sites or when you open up other windows, it'll probably still show at 125 or 110, whatever. So just make sure when you finish reading it, you go back to 100%. Now, I will drop the link for this as well, the Sony one, in case you want to go to this one. But here's another site, okay, that I like. It's called Manuals Lib, and I will drop the link to this below as well. Now, when you come here, you're going to see the Sony Dream Machine ICF 253, okay, the clock radio. They got another model there. They've got the L too. What you want to do, because just in case people get confused, I might say, well, I don't see it over here. Well, it's going to be here, okay? But what you want to do is, you're going to see what says operating instructions and service manual. You want the operating instructions will be very basic. It'll be 2 pages, just like you've seen with the Sony website. But let's go back over here again. Let's hit the back arrow. And if you go over here, the reason I want to show you is because you might look at it, if you're new to this website, you might say, what is he talking? I don't see it, you know? It's right over here. You got to scroll down. And this is easy on the eyes. You don't have to magnify it either. Check this out. All right, there's the one I just showed you on my video. And look how nice this is. This is from Manuals Lib, okay? I like the way it looks, the format of it. It's pretty good. They'll tell you, you know, same thing, basically like that. The way they broke it down, it's really good. Really easy to read if you have one of these clock radios. And look how nice it is. Setting the clock and the date, okay? It's really easy, you know, to read. Now, when I do videos like this, or even when I sell on eBay, I always try to include the user manual with them whenever possible. Now, sometimes if they're too much, even though I like to include them with when I sell an item like that, especially electronics, because I had sold clock radios in the past, and people saying, how do you set the timer? How do you control the dimmer on it, the dimmer switch, whatever? And I said, you know, that you know, gave me the idea. I was like, wait a minute, when I'm selling these things on eBay, why not, if it's not too many pages, why not print out a user guide and send it with them? And I've done that with one of my videos, with one of my items I sell. I'll show you right here. Let me just go over here right quick. Let's go to eBay, and I want to show you what a person said about it, how nice, very nice compliment. I'm going to go over here to, and again, this is not a segue. I'm just trying to get a point across. Check this one out. This person had bought I'll show you. This person bought this Sony Dream Machine, okay? It's sold, okay? And the compliment that they left, the positive feedback was really nice. I even messaged them, you know, even responded back to them. So let me click it back over here. So this is what the person said, okay? Now this is for that clock radio I just showed you. I received my radio quickly, accompanied by a printed receipt and an owner's manual in a plastic sheath. Very professional. The radio is in great shape and everything works great. I would definitely buy from RJ Pacini in the future. I go by RJ Pacini right over here. Shop RJ Pacini for great deals. Okay? I got 100% positive feedback. Now, that's not the segue. The reason why I'm trying to share this with you guys is I go that extra mile. Now, that person on the YouTube channel in regard to this one here, to this video, I don't think I put it in there, so I added it to it. I don't know. I might have done it in the past, but I didn't get that many comments on 17. But I added it today over here, the Sony Dream Machine. And when you click this on, this is going to take you to Manuals Lib, the one I'm showing you right now. And then I wrote over here, hi, to those who own this item and need help with settings, please click on the user manual link And when you get there, scroll down to the information and you'll get the information on how to set the clock radio. Okay, that's what I put on there. All right. And this person, I replied to them. They said, I told them, I said, no, it's not included. I said, hi, and thank you for checking out my video. In regards to the earphones, I do not have the earphones for this item. I'm sorry. I could update and say this item's been sold 6 years ago, but I didn't think about that. I was so, into getting this video out and sharing it with you guys out there. But that's the thing, though. If you want to, if you're a YouTuber and you want to go that extra mile for your subscribers or people who comment on your videos, folks, if you got the time and it's something like this, especially electronics, it doesn't hurt to go through it. You get the model number and you do a Google search, and that's what I did. I did a Google search. I copied in this line here, Sony Dream Machine FM AM clock radio with the model number, and that's what it came up. So I like to go that extra mile for the people who buy from me from eBay, and for people who hit my YouTube channel for the first time. I don't know if this person subscribed to my channel, but I put the information out there for them. So, it doesn't hurt. And that's the way I am with my YouTube channel. I want to help people out. That's what my YouTube channel is all about, to help, inspire, and share. I hope you got a takeaway from it. And if you did, please don't forget that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to get notified as to when I post the videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassini signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. Bye-bye for now.